Nowadays, GPS receiver like handheld GPS is not only used for navigation. It can also be used for forest surveys and other environment-related activities. In the absence of the instrument, smartphones with built-in GPS features can be used as alternative. In this tutorial, we will use GPS status application to mark current geographic location. Select Options, then click Locations. Rename the file according to your preference. Then select the GPS button to save your location. To change the coordinates units, select Options, then open Settings.